here, you can notice as your one screw will make the unit go up and down, one screw will make it go left and right, and one screw will make it go at an angle. Just watch the red light. Once you get it in the middle, if the red diode lights out, there's adjustments for the diode as well, where you can match the diode to the dot. The other thing, remember, is when you're done with it and you're completely in, you have to make sure that those are firm. In other words, those retaining rings are firm, so it's just going to vibrate out of place again. Now, making sure that you understand autofocus. When you get into the ZU and you're moving up and down, you can do a manual focus in case you have material that's soft using that retaining ring. This also shows you the hourglass that I was talking about, where it crosses and comes back down. So basically what you want to do on this page is for making sure your platform is completely level. It's not. On the left-hand side of the platform, you can open up the doors, grab the belt, and move it. Even though they're all in series, because you're grabbing that side, that left side is going to go up and down faster. And so you can use that focus tool to maintain that you're in the same level from the nozzle to the material in all four corners and in the middle. Those of you that did not buy a grid table, I would buy a grid table. And there's positioning tables now out there that you can buy that you can adjust the level on to your particular needs. But the big thing is burn yourself the dot, get the dot as small as possible, and then go into the unit and burn a line across it at a low power. And just look and see that that line is thin. If the line is not thin, you are losing power and you're not going to get a good cut. Okay?